Y'all know how I feel about saying the word no. Girl, I need to be speaking to myself with kindness. It makes sense. If I ain't gonna do it, who is? I be up in these feelings some days, okay? Like my mood just be like Cobra sometimes. Baby steps, adult steps, it don't matter. Just take your STEP. Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you for tuning in. So I've been seeing a lot in social media lately about positive self-talk. And so I did a little digging, okay? I looked up a few things, I researched a few things. So today I'm going to be answering the question for you guys, what is positive self-talk? And just a quick disclaimer, most of the things that I'm sharing with you guys today is from a website called positivepsychology.com. So again, we are going to get started with the definition. Self-talk is defined as the internal narrative that you hold about yourself. Self-talk can actually have a much bigger influence on the way you see yourself and the world around you more than you realize. So when it comes to positive self-talk, it's more about showing yourself some self-compassion and also some understanding for who you are and what you've been through. Self-talk helps us to change our narrative in terms of our thinking. So when we change the way that we think, we can also in turn change our behavior. So when I read that, I was like, well, that sounds good to me, girl, because I got a few things I can work on and get better at, okay? Always room for improvement with katerakitten, I'm just saying. So the process in which we can practice a positive self-talk can happen in different ways. So the first way that I wanted to share with you guys is to use positive self-talk examples. So the first example that I wanted to share with you guys is, I can't control what other people think, say, or do. I can only control myself. And then the second example from this website is, I can learn from this situation and grow as a person. So really practicing and reading and speaking aloud these types of positive self-talk examples will really help your mind to understand, okay, this situation wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Or it can help your mind to say, you know what, I'm only responsible for me. I can't worry about what this other person is gonna think, say, or do. And then before we continue into the second way you can practice positive self-talk, I just wanted to encourage you guys to subscribe below to be a part of the Kiitten family. So the second way that you can practice positive self-talk is by using positive affirmations. Pretty sure most people have heard of positive affirmations before, but if you haven't heard of them before, positive affirmations are just basically quotes or different sayings that you can either say aloud to yourself or you can think about them in your head. So using positive affirmations will actually help you when it comes to retraining your mind and adjusting your thinking in order to change your behavior. So a couple of positive affirmations that you guys can try out is, I am enough, and another one is, I am loved. So if you want to use some sticky notes, throw it up on your bathroom mirror. If you want to use it for your lock screen, whether it's your iPhone, your iPad, your tablet, whatever you have, please try it out, kittens. So I also wanted to share with you guys to just be mindful of your emotions when it comes to self-talk, and also when it comes to changing your self-talk into a positive one and starting to put positive affirmations into your daily routine. You can just ask yourself, okay, am I doubting right now? Am I upset right now? Like, how am I feeling about this? Do I even believe I am enough? Do I believe that I am loved? So you guys just really have to be aware of your thoughts, aware of your mood and your feelings. It's perfectly fine to take a break. There is no judgment here, I promise you, kittens. And then I also wanted to share this quote with you guys. I'm pretty sure most of us, if not all of us, are familiar with this quote. So this quote says, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habit. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. So for me, when I read this quote, it just solidified the fact for me that the way that I think about myself, the way that I talk to myself, the way that I carry myself, the actions, the decisions, the habits, the traits, all of those different things to me tie into positive self-talk, which I know isn't easy. I'm not saying it like it's easy, kittens. It is okay to take it one step at a time, one day at a time. Each day is not promised anyway. In the Bible, it says, why do you worry about tomorrow? For tomorrow will worry about itself. And let me tell y'all, the Lord did not lie at all. So I encourage you guys to try this out with me. And also please comment down below what was your favorite example or what was your favorite positive affirmation that I shared with you guys today. I know for me, it's more so the one about I can only control me. I can't control what other people think, say, or do. Because girl, I be up in these feelings some days, okay? Like my mood just be like Cobra sometimes. So now we're gonna transition into some more examples that I wanted to share with you guys when it comes to positive self-talk. And most of these that I'm sharing with you guys are from different Instagram pages that I follow. They are focused more so on mental health and positivity. So first I gotta do a little shameless plug, y'all, and show y'all the one that I created for myself. Give me one sec. Boom, here we go, I found it. All right, so the one that I created says, I am allowed to have my own opinion. So I did this one for positive self-talk because not only does it remind me that I clearly am entitled to think whatever I want to think, but I also need to be mindful of other people. So I need to be aware, oh dang, that's right, they have a whole different experience than me. They have a whole different opinion than I do. And that's perfectly fine. We can agree to agree. We can agree to disagree. That's okay, because at the end of the day, I am allowed to have my own opinion. So next, I wanted to share with you guys an Instagram page that I absolutely love. I think this person is super amazing. I love all of her artwork. So her Instagram is crystaldrawsstuff. So her example that I wanted to share with you guys is speak to yourself with kindness. So when I read that, I was like, yes, ma'am, I will. Why not? I need to be speaking to myself with kindness. It makes sense. If I ain't gonna do it, who is? So an additional one that crystaldrawsstuff also posted on her Instagram is you are allowed to be proud of yourself even for taking small steps. Girl, baby steps, who? That me. So appreciate the small successes in life, from the day-to-day, baby steps, adult steps, it don't matter, just take your STEP. So now I'm gonna move on to a different Instagram page that I follow. So this person's Instagram name is colormehappii. She is also a mental health advocate. So she actually did a beautiful illustration of positive self-talk examples. So there's one that says, I am not a burden, every day is a fresh start, I deserve rest, I am valuable, my feelings matter. Just cute little drawings, cute little sayings about positive self-talk. You can't hate it, you gotta love it. And then the final example that I wanted to share with you guys is from an Instagram page I just honestly found. I should have found her a long time ago, but her name is rashawndajames. She has the positive thoughts and words people tell themselves. I control my happiness. Saying no is okay. Y'all know how I feel about saying the word no. Girl. I can learn from my mistakes. I am capable of many things and I have the power to change. If you're watching this and you're thinking, I don't know what to say for positive self-talk, I don't know if I can do this, look back over this video, review the different examples that I've given you, try out one. You don't have to try out all of them. That would be super overwhelming. I'm not telling you guys to do that. And there are different methods that you can use when it comes to practicing positive self-talk. So if you're more of like a visual person, you may want to try putting them on sticky notes. So you can either put this in your home office, you can put this at your desk at work, or if you're more like me, a little combination of both a visual and more so like I just gotta do it type of practical person, you might want to actually repeat certain positive self-talk examples aloud. So please make sure that you comment down below your favorite positive self-talk example, and if you have not subscribed, please do so below. Also, do not forget to check out the playlist that I have up in the card for you guys. I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.